back to a new video. I'm not supposed to be even uploading today, but you know what? I got this delivery and I'm super excited. So this parcel is from www.courtyoullooking.co.uk. They are the UK distributors for Ugly Duckling. I tell you what, oh my god. So you know I got my art gels from them. Well, I got some more bits from them as well. And oh my god, this stuff is bloody amazing. I got 3 tools and look how beautiful it's packaged. How nice is that? Can you hear my kids in the background? I almost expected a little bunny to pop out. I don't know why, it just reminded me of like a Easter bunny. Yeah, it's probably a bit weird. I'll shut up now. But so anyway, I just wanted to show you this because I wanted to see how beautifully they package up their parcels. I love the ribbon. Pink ribbon on everything. That's cute. And inside these boxes are how they pack their gel polish. So I'm going to take the ribbon off and I will show you. I got 12 colours and I got a base top coat, a shiny top coat and a matte top coat. Now apparently they're on their website, their matte top coat is an award-winning top coat, which is brilliant. They also give you a little freebie. Now, unfortunately, I don't like chewy sweets like that. Would you believe? You probably wouldn't believe it, but I don't, and my kids don't like them either. But my other half will eat them, so I will save them for him. So these are the bottles. I absolutely love the bottles. I love the packaging. So on the bottom it says what it is, like no wipe top coat, 15 mils, and then you've obviously got their Ugly Duckling logo, and on the back it said something as well, but this is, I just wanted to take it off and have a look. Oh my god, I tell you what, for so long I've wanted to try Ugly Duckling products, and I love the little, it's a little bit dusty from that packaging. So this, on the back it says matte. Yes, again, it's got matte top coat on the label underneath. And then on the front, it has the Ugly Duckling logo. I'm going to leave the Court You Looking's website will always be in my description box of my videos. I wanted to show you this as well, because this was some top coats have like a clear consistency. This one has a cloudy one. I don't know what matte difference it makes, but and I got a base coat as well. I thought I better get a base coat just in case. I actually use base coat quite a lot on my nails, like in my designs and stuff as well. So these are the other 2 boxes. I absolutely love the colours that I've chosen. I wanted to pick some bright summer fun colours. They are not named, they are numbered. So on the back it says gel polish, on the front it has the logo, and on the side it has the number that the colour is. Does that make sense? Yeah. Yeah, so I'm going to swatch them all for you because I just couldn't help myself. Honestly, you'll see. You will see. This is the other box as well. I got some more. I had to get a black and a white, and there's a silver hollow there, which is bloody gorgeous. So. Oh yeah, the tools. Oh my god, better not forget these. So again, look, they come beautifully presented with a pink ribbon around them. And the only thing I'm gutted about is that I couldn't get the, I thought these would slide out, but they didn't. I really struggled. So I had to break the packaging. I'm going to compare actually. I've got a new ombre brush. Ooh, I'm going to I'm going to compare it with my, I'm going to pair it, oh for God's sakes, I'm going to compare it for you with my Born Pretty ombre brush that I usually use. This is the detailer brush. This is actually it's very similar to mine, but it's got a 3mm brush. How fine is that? So I'm really looking forward to trying this one out, and I can use that alongside my own detailer brush as well. And then this one I think is the ombre brush. Yeah, this is the ombre brush. The tools are really nice as well. They've got nice weight to them. I'm going to show you. So this one looks like it's got more bristles on the end of the brush than what the one I'm used to has. So it's going to be interesting to see how I go on with it. If I find that it perhaps has got too many bristles, I can always just sort of snip a few off, just sort of alter it slightly to, make it easier. Can you see? Can you see it? And actually, it's a bit longer. The bristles are a bit longer. I didn't really notice that. And then this is their Omni tool. So I have wanted something like this for a long time. So on one end, you've got almost like a needle tool, but it's a very, very fine dotting tool. And then on the other end, it's a slightly bigger dotting tool. It's got a slightly bigger dot on it. I absolutely love this. It's really nice, and it's almost like a weapon. It reminds me of like what a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle would use, but it's got to be a bit longer and bigger. Anyway, the way you can tell which is this is the thicker ball end, right? And then this is obviously the finer end. So the thicker end has got this wider band than the other. Do you see? Do you see what I mean? So you can tell which is, yeah. Okay, anyway, on to the colours. This one was, I missed it, but I'm going to put the numbers at the bottom and, yeah, of the screen so you can see. This was just one coat. Look at the coverage on that. I didn't even bother adding a second coat. I don't know if when you come to doing it on a human being's nails you might need 2 coats. This was number 32. I think the other one must have been 31. But again, this one I just used 1 coat. Oh, this is just a lot. This is a great colour for summer. Isn't that gorgeous? And then I've got number 22. I tried to start from the smallest number to the biggest number, but I missed out number 22, so I had to go back to this one. This is the most gorgeous lilac colour. I have already filled my basket with some more colours. I'm really excited to get some more. Isn't that nice? That's one of my favouriteest colours in the whole wide world. And then I have got the next one, which is, I'm going to use no wipe top coat on all of these. I'm not going to matte top coat them. So number 34 now. This is a nice purple. What do you call it? Yeah, no, it's not a purpley pink. It's definitely a purple. But it's a kind of, I don't know, it's a more pinky shade of purple, would you say? I'm so rubbish at describing colours. But again, that was 1 coat. Literally, honestly, I can't tell you. I'm so flipping happy with these. I know I've only swatched them. I've not actually used them on, but I think I'm going to like these a lot. So this, I think, was number 38. Was it 38? I don't know. I'm not paying any attention. Again, look, 1 coat. 1 coat. This is number 43. So this is the black, I think this was. Yeah. Now, this one this one I've got barely any product on the end of my brush, because some blacks, if you put too much on the swatch pop or on the nail, if you make it too thick, especially if they're really pigmented, you can end up with wrinkling going on, because the light from the lamp can't penetrate through all the gel and you end up with wrinkling. So I'm going to do 2. I could have got away with 1 coat. You saw how pigmented that first coat was, and that was a really, really thin coat. So this is the second coat. They just cover beautifully. Then we've got number 44. This is the white one, and again I decided to do 2 coats of this one as well. But again, look, it covered really nicely. I could have actually left that at 1. Yep, so I'm just going in with the second coat now. White's not even a colour, is it? Right, the next one is number 53, and this is a hollow glitter colour. Ooh, I had to get I just can't not scroll past the hollow gel polish and not put one in. I was a bit of a plonker though. I put this in my lamp and I forgot to hit the 30-second button. So I put it in and I didn't cure it, and I got it out and I put the second coat on, and it was just moving the first coat, and I was like, what the heck? But yeah, I forgot to cure it. But I did cure it. This now is cured, and now I'm going in with a second coat. You could just use this as a, like, you could put your colour coat on and then put just one coat of this over the top, and you just get a really nice, gorgeous, glittery coloured nail. Or you can just use 2 coats of that, it's up to you. 132. This is a gorgeous corally colour. And again, this one just, look how it covers. I can't get over the coverage on these. These are the best coverage of gel polishes I have ever used in my life. And I've only swatched them. But swatching wise, I'm blown away. 135. This is the most amazing yellow. I absolutely love this one. Now this one I did put 2 coats on. It just looked a little bit patchy in some places, and I thought, I don't know that you can see it very well on the camera. It just looked like it needed that second coat. So this is one of the ones that other than the black and the white, this is the only colour. Oh, and the glitter. But this was the only colour that I went in with 2 coats of. But isn't that the most gorgeous coloured yellow? I then picked the green, which was 136. I just felt like this one really complemented that yellow. I don't know what it is. I love these kind of yellowy green colours. This reminds me of like a pistachio green. It seemed a lot brighter in real life than, I don't know that I don't know, maybe it's not. It just looks, I just love it. I can't tell you. Okay, 173. This is the last one. This is a turquoisey colour. Yeah, I love this one too. So I'm going to leave all the information, I say all the information, there's not a lot of information I can give you. I'm going to leave Courtly Looking's website in the description box below. That's where you can buy the Ugly Duckling products from the UK. So these are all the colours I've got. I will be doing some designs with these, and no doubt I will buy some more gel polishers from Courtly Looking as well, because I bloody love them. But thanks for watching, have an amazing weekend, and I will see you all next week, even though they're pre-recorded. Okay, bye, love you.